Motherboard and this lovely crystal clear case from a 1200.net. Video number 4. If you watched number 3, you saw that I ordered one of these back plates and it didn't fit here because of these mounting brackets for the Vampire or Raspberry Pi and so on. So as you can see, I ended up getting this plate cut here, and now the back plate fits perfect. I'm very happy with this build. It runs rock solid. I really like it. I like the purple color. It's beautiful, and this case is just the best topping on the ice cake. I love it, guys. So let's just put the cover on and enjoy this. We're just gonna start a game. We're gonna start oh, I know. Super. There we go. We're gonna start Super Frog from Team 17, 1993. There we go. All right, guys. As I said earlier, video part number 4. I'm almost ready with this build. In one of the parts, I was talking about having a floppy drive here, where the top cover was opened. What I have done, I have actually ordered a company to make a metal bracket for me, a 1-to-1 copy of the original bracket from Commodore, but the top side is laser cut, so it's open and you can see the floppy drive. I have ordered it. I think in about 2 weeks I will receive them. When I said that in my video, one of my videos, you guys started writing to me, can you order one extra? I'm so interested. Other people that has got this crystal limited case that you can buy, just write RETROCENGO and you will get not 19 but 20 euros of discount. Use my YouTube username and you will get the discount. The thing is, other users want the same thing also. So what I have done is actually I have ordered 10 of these metal brackets. If I don't sell them all, I will put the rest for sale. If you're interested, just send me a mail or messenger. I will have 10 and that's it. And the top will be, there will be a hole at the top. Oh, wait. Yeah. As you can see, I don't have the top cover because it's at that factory, metal factory now. So the lovely disk drive will be mounted down here, and this eject button is also the same clear that comes with this case. Look at my part number 1 there, you can see everything. And I'm gonna put some sort of light inside because when it's dark, the light here, I love it. So what it's actually is going to do, about 1 centimeter all over the place here, it's gonna have a cut, so you can see the motor, you can see the stepping drive, you can see this one reading go back and forth, and you can see all the mechanical 80s mechanical action when you load from the floppy drives. Isn't that great, guys? I love it, man. Yeah. So again, I'm gonna make one more part. Yeah, the last part with this beautiful build. Terminator. I'm so sorry with children in the background. That's my son and his friends. They're having fun. So yeah, if you're interested, if you're a nerd from the 80s just like me that loves these mechanical stuff, then just yeah, write to me on Messenger, then maybe you can have one of them also. I think it's gonna be great. I'm of course gonna mount everything, I'm gonna film it so you can see what's going on, and I think it's gonna be awesome. I know most people just want a go check drive, but I'm really enjoying this. Yeah, one other part, these A500 plus motherboards. There we go. One thing that I really love about them is, oh, this music, just listen to this. It's so good. One thing that I really love about this is Go Check Drive. If I want this here, I can actually mount an external floppy drive, and in that floppy drive I can install a Go Check drive, and it works great. So you can load up Workbench here and copy files from Go Check or whatever you want to do, right? The thing is, some games want to boot from DF0. Okay, so when you boot from Go Check Drive, if you have a USB pin in there and nothing in here, and it will boot up with DF1, it will load for some time and then it will stop. Or if you play level 1 and you want to load level 2, it will look at the disk in DF0, Amiga stuff. You know how it is. But this board is so cool. Instead of buying a switcher and all stuff like that, you have these jumpers here built in the A500 board, so you can just move it to the right and it will make the external DF1 as a bootable option. Isn't that great? So I'm gonna have this, that's why I'm gonna have this drive here, because I love floppies. I know people has issues with floppies because they're, you know, 30 years old, but my floppies works just like it was 1990. Perfect, absolutely perfect. And these drives, recap them, they have few caps here, and the Amiga 600, Amiga 1200, they have surface mounted caps. I think they had 3 on them. If you recap them and clean them, man, they work great. So yeah, just a little update video with this project. You guys are loving it, just like me. And I fully understand why, because this is Amiga, right? This is so awesome. Guys, you are still asking me about the compact flash solution here. And I have said it so many times before, and you'll probably ask again. So let me just tell you about it and show it. This card that's installed on the 68,000 CPU is called Spitfire 500. So you write on YouTube, RETROCENGO Spitfire 500, and you will see a review of this beautiful board that I have installed here. You can see, watch the review, and you can see the link to GitHub, and you can order the parts and build it. The parts that cost about 40 euros For 40 euros, you can get this beautiful compact flashcard reader, your 8 megabytes of fast RAM and 2 megabyte chip RAM, which is more than enough for WSD load gaming. It runs beautiful, and the best part is actually that it runs at what's it called? It runs a bit accelerated at 14 megahertz. Let's just take it out here. Board, no. Speed, yeah, there we go. As you can see, we have got, oh, Agnes 2 megabyte, I love it. It's excellent, and it at 14 megahertz. So we have a switch where you can set it if you have compatibility issues. I have had no issues with this card, and I mean no issues. It's a 68,000, runs great. But if you had some issues, you can always just click it back to run as a 7 megahertz and enjoy it. And having 2 megabyte chip RAM and 8 megabyte fast RAM, I mean, you can run 95%, 99% of all Commodore Amiga stuff. Of course, there are some demos that want some more juice, but those demos are usually AGA demos. And when we're talking AGA, Amiga 1200, then I prefer the 06G with an FPU. But for gaming and having fun like this, 40 bucks, build yourself a Spitfire. It's amazing. If you go into my international Facebook group, Commodore 64-Amiga RETROCENGO, there's one guy in there that did build them. I don't know if he still sells them, but you can just come on in and join and ask about it. I don't know, guys. So yeah, it is what it is. I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. I mean, this became a series. But yeah, it is what it is. I have so much love for this, and I want to share my love and happiness with you guys. And you guys are asking how, oh, just look at this. It's so well built, man. I love it, man. I think it's great. I know, again, I want to thank the boys at a1200.net for sending me this. And you know what? They have told me that they will next year when the keyboard, oh dang, when the keyboard is ready, they will send me that also, so we can enjoy everything in details. And that mechanical keyboard, it's gonna be great. Ooh, where's my auto fire? There we go. I love this game. I love the graphics. I love the music. I just love everything about it, man. It's so cool. So I want to end this video by saying thank you for watching, and I wish you all a great summer. Until next time, check out some of my other videos, guys. Have a great one. Bye. I lost one of them. Oh, that's so bad. Amateur.